Why should every steakhouse have a dry ager? Because aging meat perfectly has never been so easy or looked so good. Easy to use, timeless design. Easy to care for, and above all, safe. Only one thing improves meat: time.
Der Dry Ager war für uns die beste Entscheidung. Er benötigt keinen Wasseranschluss und ist eine Plug-and-Play-Lösung.
Thanks to our globally unique sterilization system, germs and bacteria don't stand a chance. No other dry aging refrigerator works like the Dry Ager. Our intelligent control mechanisms always produce the ideal microclimate, even with large changes in outside temperature. Innovation made in Germany.
Wir haben gerade mal 7% Gewichtsverlust nach 4 Wochen Reifezeit am Knochen.
The only dry aging system that truly stands out. The Dry Ager's award-winning design makes it perfect as a showcase in your dining room, either integrated or on its own.
Mit den Dry Ager Reifeschränken wird der Restaurantbesuch zum echten Erlebnis.
The customer chooses his or her meat, sees the entire aging process and the preparation.
Der direkte Blick auf das Fleisch ist ein absolutes Highlight. Es ist eine total coole Präsentation.
A restaurant serving meat from the Dry Ager instantly belongs to the most professional.
Also ich habe fantastisches Fleisch bekommen.
Ich hatte ein wunderbares Filet, das ich in der Form noch nie gegessen habe.
Are you ready for the Dry Ager?